Congratulations! You're about to discover thrilling, high-quality sound that will take your home entertainment to new heights. Introducing the new M-Series Elevate 5.1.2 Immersive Soundbar with Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. This video will walk you through the unboxing process, so whether you're ready to set up or just eager for a sneak peek, we'll give you the details you need to get up and running fast. Before we begin, you'll need a pair of scissors or a box cutter. Ready? Okay, let's begin. First, lay the box on its side and locate the pull tabs on each side. Now, using your scissors or box cutter, cut the tape along the pull tabs. Slide open each of the tabs, lift open the packaging, and remove the top foam protector. Now, carefully lift the soundbar out of the box. Next, take the end foam protectors off. Then remove the soundbar from its protective cover and gently set the soundbar aside on a flat surface. Also, you'll want to carefully remove the wireless subwoofer and side speakers and set these aside. Now remove the brown accessory box from the packaging and locate the pull tabs on the accessory box. Using your box cutter or scissors, cut the tape along the accessory box's pull tab. Pull the tab to open the accessory box. Inside the accessory box, you'll find the following: a remote control, 2 AAA batteries, 2 power cables, 2 surround speaker audio cables, 4 cable ties, 4 wall mount screws, 2 wall mount brackets for the speakers, 2 wall mount brackets for the soundbar, a wall mount template, the user manual, and the quick start guide. Now that you've unboxed your VIZIO M-Series Elevate 5.1.2 Immersive Soundbar, check out the quick setup video to learn how to connect it to your TV.